everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the June La Isla VB kit. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start off with this month's inventory card, which just gives a breakdown of everything inside of your VB kit. And then if you've been following along with the design team blogs, you've seen that some of their projects included using the art from this kit. I think some of them cut around the plant that was on the last one, but you can also use this in your planner setups, cover up the back with some paper or tape, have a nice little dashboard, stick a pocket on it or a tab on it to make a page marker. Lots of ways to use this as well. And this month we've got a square sticky note with a cute little potted plant down at the bottom, and then it has a border around it, but it does have a nice little grid pattern there and lots of pages to use. And I'm really excited that we get another set of transparent page flags this month. This time we have more of a beachy toned neutral color palette. And just as a comparison, here on the left we have the Serenity page flags, and on the right the La Isla page flags. So you can see the different colors. And these cards that the page flags come on do have a backing here that you can peel right off. There we go. And then for a little transparency test, we'll start with the top one. See if you can see that logo through there. And then for the bottom one, this one is super clear. So yes, I love these. I think that these are a really great staple, especially if you're onto the minimal planning trend. So I'm really excited to see how people are going to be using these. Okay, y'all, my jaw dropped whenever I saw these. These look so classy and chic. I love the shapes, very modern looking. We've got the leopard pattern over here. The hexagon's obviously a big trendy shape. This kind of like pearlized monstera leaf. So beautiful. So let's take these off. And these are like a nice size clip too. Very, very pretty. Can't wait to put these on my planner. We also got a pen holder this month. On the front, you've got a transparent pocket that says My Pretty Pens with that pattern, and the back is just a fully patterned, and this is like a really nice soft material too. So all you do is slide your pens in here, and I will show you really quick what it looks like filled up. So yeah, your VB pens fit very nicely right in there. So this is 3. You could probably fit a 4th one. I just don't like to overpack them in case they start scratching and bumping up against each other too much. But yes, this is going to make for an excellent photo op. The Enamel Magnetic Charms made a comeback this month, which I'm really happy about because, hello, how gorgeous is that? The heart is even in the leopard print. So pretty. So this comes with a little backing piece, which you can use to stick this on. I've seen it a lot on covers and in planner pockets, and you just, obviously you saw how it works here. You put it on the front here, slide this behind the pocket or the cover that you want it on, and it should stay on there really well. This is a nice quality magnet too. Very pretty. This month's kit also included another comeback for a product. We've got the mini sticker album. So the last time we saw this was in the December Once Upon a Time kit, but I love how this has been updated for the summer with these like soft pinks and the monstera leaves, the nude little elastic here. So obviously you can fit your sticker sheets in here or photos. We also have some blogs on the website for different ways to use this, but what I'm excited about is if you have been shopping with the Tiffy Tuesday releases, and this is just one of my recent orders from that, the sheets fit in there perfectly. So if you want to have a little place to keep only your Tiffy Tuesday stickers or similar size sheets, perfect for that. And these are still available in the new arrival section. If you missed them for the discounted Tiffy Tuesday prices, they're still there. I just have to check in a different section on the shop. All of the past sticker sheets and a few of the sticky notes that haven't sold out yet are there. I'm really excited about this. I want to set this up right now. And this month's washi tapes are a special feature because they have a new foil. It's kind of like a silvery beige color. I'm not sure what the exact name is, but let's roll these out and get a better look. Okay, so first up we have the skinny roll, and this is just a very minimal double wave pattern. And then for the standard size roll, we have this like leafy abstract pattern. So pretty. This foil, I don't even know how to describe this. It's really pretty though. It's very unique. And next up we have this month's stickers. So we'll start off with the mini Deco Sheet. We've got the VB pins there at the top. Lots of beachy and tropical items. That's a really pretty foil too. Let's see if we can catch it in the light. So that is the mini sheet. And then moving on to the main sticker book, we start off as always with the full box close-up. Trying to decide, I think the one with the chair is going to be my favorite one, or this one at the bottom. This is Paradise. Just in love with this color palette. Then we've got the circles, a few labels, and bill stickers, some more circles down at the bottom. And then we've got this page with some more full boxes and clipboards and 3/4 boxes. And then a full sheet of half boxes. And these all do have, well, not all of them. I think this row is the only one that doesn't have foiling, but they do have foiling. I'm just having a little bit of trouble catching it in the light. It's very cloudy. It keeps storming, and then the sun will peek out and storming. Okay, so then we have our page of headers and labels. I like this font too. I like both of the fonts actually, the script and the block. And then our deco sheet. It's beautiful. This is always one of my favorite pages in the sticker books because of those flat lays. And then we've got 2 sets of date covers, arrows, a couple of tabs, which I like using to make the pocket page markers. And then we've got our flags and banners and checklists. And these also, you don't have to use them like straight up and down vertically for checklists. I like to also turn them sideways to use as dividers sometimes. So just in case you haven't done that yet, another idea of how to use those. And then our last sheet in the sticker book is the mini week sheet. So, so pretty. Look at that bottom washi foil. My goodness. So yes, those are the sheets that you get. On the back, you have a breakdown of all of the different sheets. A really beautiful sticker book this month. And of course, the star of the show, the La Isla VB pen. How perfect is this for summer with these pretty soft colors? So we've got a pink barrel, black logo. I want to say this hardware is the gunmetal hardware again. That's what I'm going to say because it doesn't look exactly silver. And then the crystal mix, let's get real close in there. It's a mix of kind of nude, brown, beigey colors. The official crystal mix will be released by Tiffany, but I mean, this is just beautiful. Now let me grab a pen that has the silver hardware so you can see the difference. So on the top we've got silver, and on the bottom I think this is going to be the gunmetal. So that is the difference. I know everyone likes a good comparison shot. So yes, La Isla, the kit pins are always named after the kit that they're featured in. And release details will be sent out about these in a future newsletter, so make sure you're signed up for those. And last but certainly not least, we have this month's paper pack add-on, which I will flip through all of those designs. So you get 4 8.5 by 11-inch sheets of double-sided cardstock. And these decorative patterns all perfectly coordinate with the basic kit. But if you want the papers, then it's a separate listing during pre-order. So whenever they go live, you'll see 2 options where you can either get the basic kit or the basic kit plus the paper pack, which will come with all of these. You get the 4 sheets of cardstock plus 2 sheets of specialty paper. So here's this month's vellum first, and here's the second vellum. And I think that my favorite of all of these is going to be this one. I just love the neutrality of this one, simplicity of it. I think that it will really coordinate well with a lot of elements from last month's Serenity VB kit, which is a perk for me. I love to have things that I can use for more than one setup or that I can combine with other things for my planner stash. And I'm really excited about the changes that VB is making for her kits and looking forward to seeing all of the new kits and themes. And here are the digitals for this month's VB kit. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. They go live every month on the 20th. All the VB links can be found in the description below, so you can check out the kit info page, the Facebook group, the shop, the design team blog, all of that and more. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or I'd love to know what your favorite part of this month's VB kit was. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.